U.S. Plastic Corp carries a full line of Tamco Modified bottles, carboys, jerry cans, and 4-packs, offering you the choice of many different sizes and styles of containers and spigot combinations. Tamco takes high-quality containers from recognizable brands and we modify them with Boss weld fittings, tubulation, spigots, handles, and more. While we offer a wide array of options, if you don't find what you're looking for, we are able to do custom modifications to meet your needs. Easily dispense liquids without lifting or tipping with one of our Tamco Modified Premium 5-gallon buckets with spigots. These premium buckets and lids are made of HDPE. The lids have EPDM gaskets to reduce leaking. The buckets are our premium quality buckets with a 90 mil wall thickness. They are also equipped with a sturdy wire bail with a plastic hand grip for easy and comfortable handling. All buckets and lids meet FDA standards except for the black. Buckets and lids are sold separately. For more information on our Tamco Modified Premium 5-gallon buckets with spigots or any of our other Tamco products, visit us online at usplastic.com or call us at 800-537-9724. Thanks for watching.